Someone rang the bell. I think the amo already delivered the box. Let's check, okay? Oh, it's here, Zay. It's very big. Oh, okay. Okay, push. Wait, wait. Here, push this side or this side. Nah. Okay. You need help?
Hey!
Yay, Zayda is excited to open the box. Okay, push. Push. You can push.
Hey!
Sige, Mama will help you. Wait, wait. Move, move. Oh my gosh. Move, move. Push it there. Oh my gosh. Now, Mama and Zido will open the box. Okay? What do you think inside this box, Zaid?
Trampoline.
Trampoline? You know it already? Who told you? Who bought this one? Who bought the trampoline?
Settle bottle.
Zido or Baba?
Settle.
Zido? Okay, let's open, okay? What did you say?
What's inside?
What?
See what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay, let's open. It's a very big one, huh? Big box, huh? To open. Where to start? Here? Go there. Oh, so many wrap. Oh gosh. We close it properly. They sealed it properly. Go there. Why are you here? Go that side. What, Zido? Go that side back.
Settle. Excited.
Yes. Zido is excited. Yes, Zido is excited to open. Oh my gosh. A lot of tape. There's also a sack. So it will not become wet. Go that side lagi, baby.
So this.
Go this side, but sit down. Sit there. The camera will not see you. Go there. Oh, Mama will move it there. Mama will move. Oh, go that side. Go that side. Here, sit down.
Settle.
Huh? Wait, sabi. We'll move it here. Okay? Zido will not move. So, Mama will move the camera. Gosh. Gosh, tape. Oh. Wait, it's done. Oh my gosh.
A baby.
Very big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait. There's another tape.
See what's inside.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, do not cover the camera. Then move. This side. Oh, here.
This is
The front.
the front.
Yes.
The back.
Gabi.
The back.
Okay, we'll cut the... We need to cut the socks. Because we cannot open the box without cutting. Okay? What is this?
Trampoline.
Trampoline. We need to assemble them. Oh, so many. Oh my gosh. Metal. Oh.
This pink.
Mama will help you. Separate the metals, huh? Because it's dangerous. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. Wow. Feel about one. One.
Mm.
Two.
This one dangerous. Put it here.
Three.
Good.
That's a child. 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now it's already done, the floor, but we have to attach them one by one. Okay. We don't have manual, that's why it's very hard. I'll figure it out. Okay. Slowly, slowly. Very good, bravo. We need one more. Oh my gosh. It's hard. Oh my gosh. It's hard, baby. It's hard. Oh. It's hard. Why are you there? Oh my gosh, it's very hard.
Nice. Chua.
Oh, careful. Oh my gosh. No more. Oh. Next. Last one. Oh. Oh.
Hey.
Not done, Zaid. Not yet. Not done. We have to finish it, okay? Okay. Oh, do not sit that side. Only here. Again, jump. Stand up.
واحد واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة.
Oh.
No, jump normal. Like you sit down. يلا واحد اثنين ثلاثة down. يلا.
Sit down. Chink. Slowly, ha. There's a metal. Sige.
يلا يلا jump. يلا start jumping.
Because
2 3.
Appa. Appa.
Oh my God.
يلا واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة.
Chink.